Today, we're replacing the glass screen on an iPad Pro 2018 11-inch. The display and touch are fully functional, so we'll work very carefully. First, turn off the screen, and if possible, power down the iPad completely. We'll use 4 Polartec Magic Self-Heating Pads to soften the adhesive. Heat the screen for about 10 minutes to make removal easier. Start with a suction cup on one corner and insert a thin metal blade. Add a few drops of alcohol, then slide in a plastic pick to separate the glass. Work carefully around the edges. If you feel resistance, add more alcohol. We do this carefully because we want to preserve the original display. If you only need to replace the glass, go slow and avoid unnecessary damage. Near the top camera area, be extra careful. The Face ID cable is very short. Remove the 2 screws here, then disconnect the cable before lifting the screen. Next, use a plastic pry tool to disconnect the BTB connector. Now you can fully flip the screen over without tension. There are 3 screws on this metal bracket that need to be removed. Disconnect all 4 BTB connectors underneath the bracket. Here's our new screen, ready for installation. We'll need to transfer the Face ID flex cable and 2 additional flex cables from the old screen. Use a plastic tool with a bit of alcohol to carefully lift the Face ID flex. Avoid touching the sensors to prevent any damage. Next, remove these 2 screws to take out the additional flex cables. Don't forget to set aside the magnets. We'll reinstall them later. With all parts removed, the disassembly is now complete. Clean the old frame to remove any leftover glass shards and adhesive. Now, reinstall the Face ID flex cable onto the new screen. Secure the 2 additional flex cables with their screws. Reconnect all 4 BTB connectors to the iPad's motherboard. Don't forget to reinstall the metal bracket to hold them in place. Replace the magnet as well to keep everything aligned. There is also a small metal bracket for the Face ID connector. Secure that too. Before sealing the screen, power on the iPad to test display and touch. Everything looks good. Display and touch are working perfectly. Once confirmed, press the screen into place along all four edges. Use a clamp to secure the screen for about 2 hours. This ensures a strong and lasting bond between the glass and the frame. The screen replacement is now complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.